So I've had this for a few years now. This is a internal surge tank by Coachman Performance. This is a lift pump only, so you're still running the, excuse the mess, Bosch over 4s or whatever as your main pressure pump. But this was a really, really nicely done kit by Coachman way back when for a drop-in surge tank. So the idea is you have a, I'll find it real quick, lift pump. He has a really nice diagram. There it is. So it's a lift pump to go to a pressure pump to feed properly. And because this is only running at like essentially less than 5 psi, that's how it all works. So I know everyone has had some recent issues with some other guy. That's not what this is about. So this is simply, one second here, multitasking. So when I red coated this tank, I did not trust the people that did it. So I've just been spending the whole time cleaning up all the bullshit that they left. So this is an aluminum flange that some asshole painted. But the idea is that past that angle there. And right now I have a Walbro F90000267, which actually outperforms the 044 in Winfield's kit. I just wanted as much flow as I could for essentially 3 Bosch 044 feeds. So that goes in there. This is the feed. This is the return. I made my return -8, little swivel fitting, and then my vent, which they totally fucked up, by the way. It's all, you can see it, but totally not flat. And I tried for the last 30 minutes to get it flatter, so that should work as a seal. It's just vent. But there you go. It was a 1983 Mazda Rx7 tank. This red coat, which looks like this for E85 prep. And so the tank is cleaned up on the inside and it's ready to go.